Yeah, so um, I created a workflow that helps us track our inventory through ConnectWise. We're having issues where things weren't getting put on tickets, and we're moving towards using Rewst to help with that. But right now, what our field service manager asked me to create something that um, would help us track the inventories. So I'm gonna share my screen. So it's a very simple workflow. There's only four calls, but the problem or the hurdles that I had to jump were actually in these two calls because I could not find um, any native calls in Roost for the warehouse inventory check. So it starts with a form that pulls with an options generator that pulls all of our field service techs or anyone that has a car stock or a warehouse the in ConnectWise. I'll just go ahead and select mine, and then what I've been doing for our inputs is just um, random values here. So that's been fun to annoy everyone with my clicking keyboard when I was testing it. Um, but we get all the way down here and we hit submit, and the form submits, and it goes through here to the warehouse, the input here, and then the with item um, to make sure it's all checking correctly. We can actually visualize it looks like it's succeeded. So then it comes into Outlook here, and it looks like this. The I've actually that's the old one. This is the one that just came through. Um, the sorting on this is what is being pulled from ConnectWise, and this has um, this is what ConnectWise says should be in on hand. I do need to make some changes in the HTML for the email because it's what I have matching is the description here in the description that is in the inventory um, based off of what is actually being pulled from the car stock. So some of the like the special characters, like the trademark for the wirepath Cat6 Ethernet cables, is doesn't like to play well with the field names, but that's why there's a lot of these no match founds or mismatch, like this is my input, so there's a mismatch here. So, but yeah, that's what we've been working on, and I'm actually working on an app platform um thing to so that way our um the lady that manages all of the ordering of the equipment can go in and take a look at that, pull someone's car stock, and just make sure everything is correct. Or so that way when we get one of these in they when we get one of these emails in, it's supposed to happen once a month, but once we get one of these in, she can go in and say, hey, ConnectWise says you're supposed to have four, why do you only have one? And then we can go and find where the field service put it in on a ticket.